Every year, millions of people around the world wave their flags, sing their anthems, and celebrate one word that carries the weight of centuries: independence. But have you ever stopped to think, why does this day move us so deeply? Why does the simple act of raising a flag fill hearts with pride, tears, and hope? Today, we explore the true power behind Independence Day, the story of courage, sacrifice, and the dream of freedom that binds every nation together. Over 90 modern countries were once colonies and fought for independence. Their freedom was never given, it was earned through decades of struggle, courage, and sacrifice. Independence Day is not just a date on a calendar, it marks the moment a country broke the chains of foreign rule. More than 90 modern nations were once colonies. For them, freedom was never a gift, it was a hard-fought victory, won with courage, resilience, and relentless struggle. Every independence movement is built on the blood, tears, and courage of countless individuals. Leaders, activists, and ordinary citizens risked everything for a free tomorrow. Many never lived to see the day they dreamed of, but every year, Independence Day keeps their memory alive. Independence is when people say with conviction, "We choose our flag. We write our laws. We build our future." It unites different cultures, languages, and religions under one beating heart, the nation. This day marks the birth of self-determination. A nation celebrates the power to govern itself, write its own constitution, mint its own currency, and claim its rightful place on the world map. Colonial rulers once controlled land, resources, trade, and even education. Independence shatters that cycle, restoring dignity, pride, and ownership to the people. Independence Day is a mirror reflecting how far a nation has come, and a beacon lighting the path forward. It is more than history, it is a promise that tomorrow can be brighter, freer, and stronger. For one day, the nation stands as one, students, soldiers, families, leaders, strangers, all hearts beating together. Independence Day becomes a bridge connecting the past, the present, and the future. The United States celebrates freedom won in 1776, a spark that lit the world. Ghana was the first African country to break colonial rule in 1957, inspiring a continent. Qatar proudly celebrates its journey from desert sands to national pride. Singapore rose to global prominence despite unexpected independence. Mexico reenacts the cry that sparked its revolution. Bangladesh remembers one of the most emotional struggles of the modern era. Across every continent, independence represents the same universal dream: freedom. It is a reminder that freedom is fragile, precious, and worth protecting every day, not just celebrating once a year. So when the flags rise, the anthems play, and the nation cheers, remember, independence belongs to every heart that dares to dream of liberty. If you value freedom, this story belongs to you, no matter where you live. Stand proud, remember the sacrifices, and never take liberty for granted.